All right, everybody. So this is a little bit of a later video. Do I want this on? No, I don't need this shit on. Um, it's a little bit of a later video. We're doing a back testing stream or video. Ooh. But I'm gonna be back. This is gonna be a long video. I'm only probably gonna do a week's worth of price action. Sorry, chat. If I don't like, if I didn't start recording like right now, even though I got shit going on, like I'm not gonna do this video, and I've been wanting to do it for a very long time. We're doing a back system stream. I didn't take any trades today. Obviously, I didn't do a video, but honestly, I was pretty bullish this whole day, and I was just obviously wrong. Let me get this text message off, and then I'm gonna get off my phone. All right, I'm getting off fucking. Whoa, wait, one more person. All right, now let me just look at one more thing. All right, sorry. All right, lock in. Okay, focus. I didn't take any trades. I was bullish all day. We never actually got confirmation to go high for me personally. I know a couple of people that got kind of burned today. I'm not going to sit here and talk about price too much today because I didn't take anything. So it doesn't matter. What I will say is get into this back testing stream. Now, this is a fresh, not a fresh, but this is a relatively fresh, I think. Yeah, it's a new back testing. It's a new back testing session. It's I made it for the video, but I did take two trades on it already. One of them was a break even, and one of them was a little win. I don't really care about PNL or about like I don't care if this is 142 or 4,000. What I want to see more is just my win percentage. And when it comes to, like I want to see win percentage and like break evens and my losses obviously. And if I lose. But the P&L and honestly the RR is going to be a little bit skewed. Um so let's just get into it. I'm going to be honest. This is what I do every morning even when I don't have a video. So right now it's almost 9. So I think today's Wednesday. So every day I mark out 9:30 on both. This is gonna be a lot of talking for me. Let me talk slow because I talk fast. I want to listen to music. Can I listen to music, chat? We'll see if it fucks me up. Um, you can close that. All right, I got it locked in. So every day I mark out 9:30 open with this vertical line, and then yeah, okay, I can barely hear it. I normally don't listen to music when I trade. Actually, I do sometimes. So anyway, I mark out 9:30. I'll mark out midnight open, even though it doesn't seem to be that important here. And then I will mark out the daily open, which is honestly right there, so I'm not doing it. And then 8:30. 8:30 is right here. It's in the exact same spot. I normally, honestly, also don't even check for econ, like economic news. But what's today? The fourth. We had we have PMI. Oh wait, what day is it? Wednesday? Oh, we have we have not we have where's Friday? Friday would be what? 4, 6. Yeah, we have non-farm pay. So this week's NFP. That's good to keep in mind. But I normally don't check economical news. I'm gonna be honest. So I mark out midnight open, and then I have these for the sessions. So we have this south side, but it's London low. Actually, this is not even London low, to be honest. That's 8:15 in the morning. It's not. That's not really London low. Oh no, this is London low. I'm a fucking retard. We already hit them on both. We don't have any highs or lows intact. See, where is such? I'm also kind of sitting in sunset. My apologies. But yeah, so all the highs and stuff are gone. And every um, fucking everybody's DMing me, and chat. I want to something kind of funny, off topic, but it's about trading. I followed this guy on Instagram, Cole NQ Cole, who I follow on YouTube and TikTok and shit. He just what's an interesting fucking story post. Can you see that let me answer him real quick. Wait. Sorry, my phone needs to shut the fuck up. All right. Sorry. Um, yeah, mark out 9:30 open, daily midnight and 8:30 open, which is all relatively in the same spot.
The market is
Any
closed.
prominent sell side? We have sell side here, and we have sell side here. This is only 15 minute. Um, and this is like the past couple months of price action. This is pretty recent price. I mean, we're in June right now, so just the beginning of the 7 months. Are we at all time highs? No, we're not. Is that all time highs right there? That is all time highs. Okay, so let me just mark this as buy side. And I'm also just gonna mark this as buy side. Wait a minute, let me see something. I thought we might have an S&P, but we don't. Honestly, I'm kind of. This is when I'm like, all right, what am I expecting? Honestly, I'm kind of anticipating lower. I mean, we're in this 4 hour bearish gap, and it's kind of like whatever. I'm gonna be honest. We did just sweep out this 4 hour high, and we seem to be closing back below. And we have this unmitigated bullish inefficiency in the discount, which is really nice. I mean, but this is probably a couple percent move, to be honest. Yeah, it's only 150 points. Honestly, I'm kind of bearish unless proven otherwise, depending upon how we react with candle closures and all that above these highs. So honestly, let's just resume or just hit price. I just wait until 9:30. Just stare at the clock and that price. Let me just see some as we go into the open. Okay, so we're in 15 minutes to right again. And we're just slowly filling in this huge move down from whatever news event it was from. Okay, now let's just play price. We're going up. Bullish gap respected. Maybe we take out this level of buy side. Did I not mark it on both pairs? Didn't. Just- So that's the level of buy side. Um, Depending upon how we react above this high, we could be pretty bullish. As of right now, there's nothing. Do I want to short or anything? And chat, I'm talking to myself, and I'm not really. This is what I'm doing. This is what I like do when I trade. So whatever. Excuse that. I do have that one. Let's see what happens. Hmm, wait a minute. Are we? If we really are gonna go high, I mean that's all-time highs though. Or we have highs here, but like we have this high inside of the thing. Do we have the same thing on the end? Yeah, we did. Interesting. Let's just let price kind of go out. What time is it? 9:43, 9:44. All right. Now wait. We didn't tap a five. We didn't tap that 5 minute gap yet. They don't ES though. Greatest. We are in a bullish gap, bearish gap. Okay. Let me take this out. Let me take that out. And I'll keep it like this. Just so I can see the S&P. Now we are in that 5 minute gap, but we seem to be displacing lower. 15 minute. It's also a 15 minute inverse. You could give longs a shot, you know. I kind of like how we had this 5 minute that gap accumulate a little bit. This might be a manipulation lower. We're gonna have a 2 minute gap. I can't go to the second chart, even though I want it anyway. So maybe if we could get confirmation on the 1 minute to enter long. So none. What the fuck happened? I think I remember this happening too. This weird ass close. I don't really know what the fuck. Did we have 10 o'clock news? I normally don't even look. Oh, we did. We have PMI. I forgot about that. Take out Newswick. Tap midnight open. Honestly, though, chat, I don't really see anything. The 4 hour though closes like that. I think we are going to this level of sell side that I marked. I just don't. I mean, there's no. I'm not going to chase price all the way down there. So we take it out. Strong objections. I don't know. Like this whole area is kind of iffy. I don't know if you would count that as a fair value or something. Okay, predicament. You could kind of enter long here. And why am I saying that? Well, overall, they need to get play. Overall, we are pretty bullish, even though we are in this range. But we're at the range below. You know, we did sweep out a little sell side. We did technically it open and all the other opens. We had a bullish gap. We have no really. Well, we are in a 5 minute gap. Honestly, though, yeah. And if you enter long here, your stop loss is fucking big. I don't really like this. Yeah. Honestly, I kind of want to give longs a shot here. Honestly, though, I would put my stop. I mean, I don't like how ES failed to take it. This. I think I remember this. You don't have to risk that much. You could risk this. Does this make sense to me? 15-minute, like that's a crazy projection on the 15-minute. Yeah, I actually kind of like this. Let's give this a shot. See what happens. What time is it? 10:18. Stop loss. This is where it gets a little iffy because TP. I mean, we could put our TP at all-time highs, even though I don't think we're gonna. Remember, it's NFP too, so we might be just be generating liquidity for Friday. I honestly might go break even at one of these highs, even though it's back testing. Do I like my stop here? We can see how just price plays. 5 points, 9 points. Just the price play. Okay, here I would go break even. I honestly would. I'm up 27 points. I would go break even, chat. The 5 minute looks like it's got an inverse. We might have a 5 minute OB. My stop loss is a little tight, but I'll take that. Might be a break even, but I'm fine with that. 37 points. So I don't want to. We could actually sell one here. We could actually take profit there at these highs. So it looks like we're gonna have an SMT. It's just the price play. Stop out at break even. Yeah. High though. Do I want to re-end? I mean, we're tapping a 5 minute OB. See how we react. What time is it? 10:44. 46. What I don't want to overanalyze, but we're just in this really tight range. I don't see anything. Yeah, so wow. I mean, I was right though. I just got stopped out and break even, which is fine. You could actually maybe re-enter here, but I'm not gonna enter a long, this high up. But I think we're going up here, hitting a couple of buy sides. So liquidities. Let's see if we end up tapping the 5 here. Yes, it's going up. 15 minute would be nice candle. We open up a 1 minute. We trade into it. Do we get a bullish candle out? Now this is something I might paper trade. I don't know if I actually would take this because it's during my no trade time. But let's like paper trade it, chat. We're gonna paper trade this just to see what happens. Nope, you get stumped out by a crazy ass fucking candle at 11:44. I didn't take it because I really, it wasn't the greatest, and I realized that. But we're still respecting this 5 minute cap. We're gonna go to the next day regardless, but let's just see what happens. I'm kind of curious. We just kind of end up fucking around. Like this day is kind of like poopy. On somewhat poopy days too, when I normally probably wouldn't take a trade. My back testing session. I will take a trade unless we're really just moving shit because I just want to see, you know, my bias and shit like that. So let's scale back and see what. So I entered in a long, two longs, a long here and a long here, I think. When that was the first. The paper one was over here. And we just kind of ended up moving sideways. So so that was one day. One day was 20 minutes. Okay, maybe we're not gonna do a week. Maybe we're not gonna do a week chat because I don't want this shit being too long. I want to blow an hour. 15 minute. Let's mark out. I play music, so I might get copyrighted even 50 people subscribe. That's just me. So Midnight Open doesn't really seem to be of significance. We're still gonna mark it though, right here. But when we're just in a tight range, doing whatever, I don't really. I honestly only have been using it as a sense of um trying to see where we are in terms of discount and premium and stuff like that. And you can see the daily wick pretty easily at lower time frames. Like the daily open here, the daily wick is right here. This is the low. We actually have like relative equal lows here. And then the high is this huge ass wick. We got news today? What the fuck is going on? I mean, is that a peak? Um, let's see. Let's see. We just put in all-time highs. All-time highs is right here. On both pairs, which is good. Actually, it's not that good. We're trading over highs. So buys, honestly, I'm just gonna go on vibes. We're just gonna have to go on. We're just gonna go on vibes. So bam. Let me just so 15 minutes for that together. And you could say this is a rejection block. Like 15 minutes for I got if you oh one more thing I forgot. Let's see. We don't have any highs or lows intact. Oh, fuck. This is shit price action. I do kind of like these relative equal lows though. Um, relative equal. I kind of like it. So I kind of like shorts, but I mean market just opens. Yeah, we traded with this. I want to see if this 15 minute ends up getting inverse. And we take out that low, please. Look at that. Look at these things. This is where it gets tricky. Like it doesn't. Honestly, I'm kind of scared. I'm gonna be bearish both on highs. And OB tap. 2 minute bearish figure. I get 1 minute. Do we inverse this? We don't. But if I'm anticipating for it to get it, I wonder if you can enter here. What time is it? 9:52. Whoopsie. You guys can't hear that. Excuse me. Like I want to take. I back this like how I normally would trade without any emotions, right? So no emotion, Thomas. I'm looking at this. I mean, I would take this maybe, and stop loss would be something like that. But I would go break even at this low, and I'm really hoping that we might honestly respect this sweep, manipulate above the high, sweep out this high, and then go down. But let's just see. Yeah. Oh my God, am I a fucking genius or what? Honestly, I could honestly de-risk a little bit. We could put it at this high. Because ES is still just going to kind of. Why am I kind of nervous even though it's fucking paper? Let's stop it out. Do we end up just going sideways? Kind of. And that's what I get for trying to short an all-time high, I guess. I don't hate it. I don't hate the trade. This is just disgusting. Now, I'm gonna be honest, Jack. This is disgusting to to trade. Let's see how the PM session goes. Let's go to like 12:50. I normally don't bother, but okay, 12:50. There was actually nice here. I didn't even see. I was skipping price. This is a good song. I am kind of looking for longs. It's a really nice SMT here, and we're at all time highs. But we're kind of just breaking most of the day. So today's a loss. Just so this is NFP. We have the low intact. That means it's so quick. So it hurts if I'm doing this. I'm old. So. Workout and the screen's fucked up. Um, let's mark out restore Doge daily right here. Yep. Daily. Okay. Maybe 30s. Honestly, yeah. Yeah. Like this on the out on the ES looks for shorts. I would say short. But um, we might have. I mean, we have an SMT here. We might have another one. I don't see anything. Today's Friday though, so I gotta keep that in mind. Today's Friday. We're honestly looking pretty bullish. So if I'm gonna be bullish, we have the highs up here that ES took. We also have this 15-minute gap. Right? Um, let's just see what happens. See anything, chat? Okay, here we go. We might have a little something shaking. 5 minute. We did have a 5 minute. It'll be 3 minute gap. We're gonna have a 2 minute. Wondering if we inverse this gap, do I want a long? What time is it? It's almost 10 a.m. Do we have news besides NFP? No, we don't. So I wish you could see price live. I would honestly give this a shot. I would long here with stops down here, kind of a big stop. I would go. You could scale some there. It's fucking. That's not the right. It's not the right fucking set. Let me change my song. So stop loss. This is I'm doing 3 micros only because I could take some off here and there, you know. Like I said before, the P&L like dollar amount really doesn't. So I'm not doing it like that. This is not good actually. Chat. I honestly might close this right here. Oh, let's just let it play. It's fucking damn, it's a loss. You know, like when I looked at it too, like a second time. What? Interested. Did the two? I didn't know there was a 2 minute here. Did the 2 minute inverse? Did. Lost we didn't. This is disgusting. Oh my god. Like I could bet money that I didn't actually take long actually work here. But I could bet that I didn't take anything. This is disgusting. This honestly really disgusting. You kind of don't mind long right now. What time is it? 11:30. I mean, it's during my no trade time. But I kind of like all of this. I can see it's going up. Let's just please do a new week. Oh my god. Let's try and end on a green P&L thing here. So what am I at? I'm at 1 win, 2 losses. Price actions. Price actions. Fuck. I honestly feel like I'm taking trades that I kind of really wouldn't. Like yes, or on that Friday, I probably would take it. I need to work out especially like this. What? I paused it. Hello? This is a beautiful song, Jen. I'm listening to Champagne Coast. What's it called? Coast? Yeah, fucking beautiful. So we don't have any highs intact. Oh, I was gonna say this is all from buy side. Actually, I need to stop deleting these lines that I end up drawing. This it'll save me a lot of time. Where's this line? Here. Whoops. God damn it. I'm so dysfunctional, I feel like. Okay. So what am I feeling? Whatever wise. We're respecting a 4 hour. We're about to invert. Okay, I'm already bullish. We're respecting bullish PD rays and disrespecting bearish ones. So it's fucking bullish. But that doesn't mean we're not going to get that level of sell side. So let's just see what. And market open. Manipulating lower, which is honest. Fuck out of here, which is honestly beautiful. We actually have SMT. We're so close on nice that we might end up hitting it. Okay, now this is where it gets a little tricky. What time is it? 9:40. Let's see how I kind of want to wait. You could give Longsdale a shot, but I'm not. Hang on. 4 hour do inverse. 1 hour. 15. This is kind of messy. There's a lot of shit on this fucking screen. 5 minute, we inversed. We have a lot of smooth highs up here. Wow, ES is really bearish though. What the fuck is ES doing? Where's 930? ES is pretty fucking. Oh, we actually have a bearish. Do I want short? If I'm short, then what would I? What would it look like? Which is my initial assumption, but I don't like how ES is not doing anything. We honestly might. Yeah. I honestly don't see anything really that's sticking out to me. This is disgusting. Even if they're gonna get the could potentially probably will get this. Kind of like the shorts. To really take your off of. Correct, except right here. Close to a 3 minute gap. I would honestly wait. I wouldn't wait, but I would try and see like how price is forming on the seconds. You know, I would try and see, oh, hey, what's going on. But you don't have that luxury on this. I don't have to put my stuff there. We'll give this a shot. Fuck it. Would I actually take this? I wouldn't. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest. Like I wouldn't actually take this trade on my actual accounts yet. But let's just see what happens. I would go break even here. Because we tapped a 50 minute for value gap. And honestly, I would scale some, but it's only like waiting. It's only a little bit of points. It's not that a break even. Yep. I didn't see that we can. Whoopsie. How we doing? Are we still going? We're at 38 minutes. So, I mean, I would have scaled some here probably. I'm thinking about the points and the money. It's only 18 points, but I would have scaled some there. So I don't have anything to listen. Fuck off. My back actually really hurts, Chip. Oh my god. Ow. You make me. I honestly don't know what I would do here. Do I do anything? I didn't take longs. I like if you're entering, you could why? Wait a minute. Why did I not enter here? I kind of like this. I don't know why I didn't enter there. I was fucking sleeping. Chat. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not using it as an excuse, but my back is actually fucking killing me for some fucking reason. Let's do one more day. I think today's Tuesday. Let's just do Wednesday. I mean, let's just do a full fucking week. We ended up taking sides. That should piss me off. You won't see me. Um, everybody's learning. This is a learning. So the daily open went in that high. Since then, we've been going forward. That's a crazy 4 hour candle. I'm honestly bullish just off that 4 hour candle. This is disgusting, chat, to look at. I kind of forgot how shit price action was. I mean, I'll mark it out, but I honestly don't. I'm honestly kind of bullish. It's just 30. Happens. I don't know what the fuck was happening. Overnight sessions. The overnight sessions actually moving the money shit. Or let's just see. One minute. We got the 2 minute. I want to say 9:45. Are we rejecting? Chat, I don't know. Like honestly, I would say this whole area here, the no trade flies back up into this fucking bullshit range. If you're up here, look for shorts back down into the bullshit range. Honestly, fucking feel like there's no. This is just shit ping pong bullshit price. I just knew it was gonna be. But look at this on the 5 minute. This whole thing, chat. I'm not gonna lie. This whole box here is no trades. That whole box is no trades. Okay, here we go. I'm like, fuck. Higher time frame PDOs. We're in a 5 minute gap. What the fuck is this bullshit? This is honestly insane. For a Tuesday? It's funny. It's funny. It's funny as shit. Maybe 15 minutes. I gotta get back. I mean, honestly, chat, I might just do next day. The English at 15 minute will be, I mean, maybe we go up here, but I just I don't like shorts. Higher time frame SMT. 5 minute fair value gap tap. Higher time frame SMT. We're delivering from a higher time frame fair value gap. I'm still respecting that. Short term, I can see it's going down. Long term, it's bullish. Let's just see. We just have random periods of price where we just move sideways and then bam, sideways, sideways. You can also just hit buy here. I didn't take a trade today. Today was fucking insane. All right, today's the last day, and then we're gonna fucking stop this. I will say, this is probably my worst back session. This is probably the worst one. We're at two break even, or one win, two losses, two break even, something like that. Oh my back really hurts. Don't get fucking old, Chad. Don't get fucking old. Okay, so let's just get this shit over. He just made all-time highs again. Yeah, funny. Let's just do a base hit. I'm going for these grands. Man, let's just do a base hit. Let's just keep comes to longs, plus not when it comes to lows.
The market is closed.
I'm honestly kind of bullish, but I got some Z4. Let's just go to 9 billion. Let's pick one more song to end this. 9:30, for 1 minute, see what's popping. Brand new whip just hopped. Nothing, nothing. Okay, so what am I anticipating for us to do? Ugh. Wow. I'm honestly kind of bearish. We're respecting like this. But maybe you could actually give Long's hair a shot. What would it look like? What would it look like? Play it safe. I'll do something like this, but this is disgusting. I would never do it. Oh, it's way too big. I mean, it could be there for paper, but as of right now, I wouldn't actually enter anything. 15-minute fair value. Yeah. Looks like we ended this. You can honestly probably enter here, Chad. This is like not the best price action. How is it? 10, 20? I mean, if you took that long with the huge red stop loss, it's working. I kind of knew it would, but it's not. We're not getting, like, what the, we're getting no fair value at the end of that. And it's during my no trade. Let's take a trade during the PM. Wow, we're gonna leave that on. 15 minute. So 5 minute. Look at the tap this bearish 1 minute. Oh, we do. Why do I kind of like shorts? What do you say? Fuck it. Your channel. Let me see. Let's just say fuck it. See what fucking happens. Kind of like this for short. Oh, actually, I don't know. Oh, I don't know. I kind of want to go break it pretty soon. Yeah, you could. Actually, yeah, you could. If price is efficient, we're not going to come back up there. So for that reason, we will go break even. Did we hit this line? Hey, go. I'm listening to Hold On or Unsteady Chat. Fucking banger. Tears go down. You can all get stuff that break it. And do that. And then we go down. Oh, what the fuck? Wow. This is fucking hilarious. Hilarious. Yeah, this is the bullshit that happens. I mean, do we count this as a win or what? Let's see. Let's take a PM trade. Let's try and end the big win. 5 minutes. Let's see. Um, just say fuck it, and if we get this inverse, take it. Do we close here? Yeah. We don't have any S&Ps either. Say fuck it, do it. Stop loss is like, yeah, we're gonna cheat. If it works, we're gonna backtrack and take it. If it doesn't work, we'll just not gonna say anything. Yeah, I kind of wait. So wait a minute. Now I kind of don't mind doing it as long as we're still respecting these PDA rates. It's a shot. I kind of like this a lot more. I like this one a lot more. Wrong fucking thing. It's what? $94. Bet. I don't know what I would target. Wow. Oh wow. Okay, so let's just cheat and go back. That never happened. That never happened. Whoops. God damn. Let me get vibes going. Um, wow. Let's see. Wasn't I originally in a short? I was. I took it. Oh, it's so sad. Damn, just click buy right now. Fucked up changes. Complete work. The time is. Where's the foil candle? Oh. Yeah, I kind of like this. Wait a minute. This is really, really early up. But we're gonna take it. I'm a cheating son of a gun. Hello? Hello? I kind of like this for longs. Let me tell you guys why, I guess. Right? I mean, that's what you guys are here for. Why does it unrealized P&L? Why is it 190 grand? There's nothing here. If I sell, does it go up? Oh my god, it's like fucking cheating, chat. Wait, I'm not meaning to do this. Why is it not working? Here we go. Why was it $94,000? What the fuck is that on? I don't know. Stop. Yep, well, good thing. All right, let's just end it here. Because anything now, I'm just fucking gambling. So we're at, um, this was honestly my worst backtesting stream ever. I wanted to clickbait. I might still clickbait for you. I don't see statistics. Uh, Strat on Strat, we're doing pretty well. This is the one that I actually try on. Not try, but I've been doing for a while. Here. Strat, where do I see fucking? Oh, my back really hurts. Session results. Oh my god, I'm back. So I don't. Can I see individual trades? I don't know. Uh, Two losses, a break even, and seven winners. What are winners? Well, let me actually do it like this. So we have 10 trades here to talk about. The first two don't count. So we have a break even, I guess, a win, a loss, a break even. Oh, that was MES. That was the misclick. This was the loss. This was a break even, I think, and a win or something. I don't know. This is honestly was not good. Um, but this is what I do every day when I try and when I trade, mark out all these levels, find a bias, and I what the fuck? Oh, I might scared me. Um, and yeah, this though I will say is not a good backtesting stream. Normally when I backtest, I got a lot of winners, but hey, you're not gonna win them all. Price action was insane. Honestly, I didn't have a single win. I'm gonna be honest. Um, so we had two losses, and the rest were honestly great. What are reports? All right, no. Is this new? Anyway, so that was the back test stream. I am gonna do more. I don't even care if you guys watch them, but I don't really have a strategy. I just choose a draw on liquidity, and then I find entry confluences to target that draw on liquidity. And it could be just simple, coming from a high time frame fair value gap. We get an inverse, then have bullish quarter foot or like shit like that. But I will see you guys sometime soon, I guess. I don't know. I am gonna do a back testing stream again, really, really soon, and I am gonna get off video, and then back test some more by myself. And this is probably gonna be like a lot higher, but we'll see. But I will see you guys whenever. This is gonna be an hour long video. So I did take one of those losses though. I am gonna be honest. I would not take on a live account or my actual Express accounts. Um, which I mean, the results are kind of skewed, but not really. It was just a crazy week. Maybe I just back tested a losing week. But I will see you guys